Hello everyone, good morning. This is Kiran Bakotra. Welcome to in our next lecture. In a previous lecture, we discussed about the fiber yielding plant of the cotton, flax and jute. And in our today's lecture, we discuss about the fiber yielding plants of hemp. The botanical name of this hemp is a Cannabis sativa. The genus is a Cannabis and species is a sativa. They are commonly known as the Indian hemp or industrial hemp. They belong to family of Cannabinaceae. The hemp is an annual herbaceous plant. They are possessed in the life history of the annual season. The plant is harvested differently depending on the purpose of its use, as the use of fibers, oil, food, necrotins, and medicine. It means in which purpose you are used the hemp, they are harvested process is a different way. Also used for the industrial purpose, including the paper making, textile, clothing makes, body products, health food, and biofuel. So the hemp, it known as the Cannabis sativa, is also called the industrial hemp. Plant of this families belong to the Cannabiaceae family, cultivated for its fiber or its edible seed. It means they are useful or cultivation in two manners, either used for fiber and either used for edible seed. Hemp contain a tetrahydrocannabinol THC, a compound that produces the psychoactive effect in humans. The fibers are obtained by subjecting the stalk to a series of operations including the retting, drying and crushing and the sacking process that complete the separation from the woody portion, releasing the long and fairly straight fiber or line. It means the fibers they are obtained, there are various manners. It means their cultivation and harvested, there are different steps. They are the retting, drying, crushing and sacking portion, and in this step the separation of the fiber plants. The fiber strands usually over 1.8 meter or 5.8 feet long, and they made of individually cylindrical shell with the irregular surface. It means they are made up of in this cells. Hemp is a usually yellowish, greenish or dark brown or grey color, and because it is not easily bleached to sufficient high shades, it rarely dyed. It is strong and durable, used for the rope, cap and string and for the artificial sponges. It means the hemp is a different color, but they do not be bleach, used for the lighting steady. And the use for this hemp for the rope, cable and string, they have a strong and durable fibers. The cannabis sativa seed are chiefly used to make the hemp seed oil, which can be used for the cooking lamps, liqueurs or paints. It means the seed oil are used for this different process. They can also be used as the gag's bird feed, and as they provide the wonderful source of the nutrition for the moist animal. In this seed, they have oil content, and the seed is a wonderful nutrition, so they are used for this feed of the birds. The flowers contain the psychoactive chemical compound known as a cannabinoids that are consumed for the recreation, medicinal and spiritual purpose. It means in this flower they contain a phytochemical. They extend the leaf, stem and seed, and so they are useful in the medicinal purpose. When so use the preparation of the flower and the leaves, and the preparation derived from the resinous extract, the consumed by the swamping, vaporizing and oral indigestion. Historically, tincture, teas and ointments have also been common preparation. In traditional medicine of the India is a particular Cannabis sativa has been used as a hallucinogenic, hypotonic, sedative, analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent. So in this all the antioxidant properties used in this purpose. The some chemical constituents are the included of this fiber. It is the long, strong and durable. The fiber has compound the 70% of the cellulose content and the low levels of the lignin they are around to 8 to 10%. The pectin contain of the 2.9 percentage, then the fat and wax contain the 0.9 percentage, and the mineral also 1.8 percent concentration are contained. The next one is the history of this hemp. The hemp is one of the oldest textile known as the mankind. They are most often used in this textile industries. It probably originated in the Central and Western Asia, whenever it spread into the China, having been grown there is a fiber crop, and perhaps the more than 450 years. It means the 450 years more than the China have a production of this hemp. It was introduced into Europe by the Scythians about the 1500 before Christian era. There are some botanical description. It means the plant is a snout annual herb. They are most often herb plant because the height is a 1 to 2 meter in height with the leaves are a compound. The plants are a dioecious plant with the male flower is a long dropping axillary, the terminal panicles, and the female flower is a short axillary leaf spike. It means the plant is a dioecious, they have a male and female both flower, but the male flower is a generally long and axillary position, and the female flower is a generally short and a spiked leaf. The fruit is a generally type of achiki, and the all plants, the parts are densely clothed with the glandular hair. It means in the fruit surface the hair is a present. The hemp fiber is a white bast which develop in the pericycle. It means the most of the fiber are the present in the pericycle portion, and its length is a varies from 0.9 to 1.5 meters. After the botanical feature, the some production of hemp. The hemp grow in a nearly all temperate region. Of the total world, the production is the 2,55,528 tons during the 1973 to 74, and the Soviet Union alone the contributed of 75,000. It's nearly one third of this world output. And the hemp is also produced the commercially way in this the China, Japan, Peru, Iran and Turkey. Italy and Yugoslavia are the two chief exporting countries. They earned the reputation of the producing the best quality of fiber in India. Then our next step is the cultivation. There are broadly three groups of this cannabis variety belong to the cultivated today. First, the variety is the primary cultivated to their fiber characteristic by the long stem and the little branching called the industrial hemp. It means the industrial hemp in these fibers they have a long stem and they contain a little branching of these branches of the hemp plant. The variety are grown for the seed from which the hemp oil is extracted. It means the second category is they are used for this oil purpose. Then the third one is the variety are grown for the medical and recreational purpose. It means the all over three species. The first one is used for this fibrous. Then the second is useful for the seed oil, and the third is for the medicinal purpose. After the cultivation, how to the harvesting of this hemp plant? So the best grade fiber is obtained from the male plants. It means the male plant is more useful for this obtained from the fibers. Harvesting is done when the male flower are beginning shed pollen. It means the harvested process when the harvested process are started. So the male flower in this the pollen are formation. Then the harvesting process are started. The plants are chopped off by hand about 2 to 3 cm above the ground level with the hemp leaf, and the cut stems spread on the ground for the drying. It means the plant are generally grow in this. The seed are showing in this field they are about 2 to 3 centimeter downward to the ground level, and they after the formation and harvesting process the cut stem they are spread on the ground for the drying purpose. The fiber extraction process is similar to the flax. It means the how to fibers are extracted from the fibers, they are same process to the flax plant. The average fiber yield in all classes is about the 25% of the dyed stock. The average yield they are the 25%. You can see in this picture they are harvested of these fibers of hemp. The fibers are obtained by the subjecting the stock to a series of the operation included the retting, drying, crushing and the sieving process. It means in this stem portion the fiber are obtained, they have included step is the retting, drying, crushing and shaking. That completes the separation from the woody portion and releasing the long fibrous straight fiber or line. It means in this all step they are possessed, and after in this woody portion the internal structure in the stem are present, they are internal structure the fiber are present, they are obtained by this. The fiber strands usually over 1.8 meter long, and they are made up of the individual cylindrical cell with an irregular surface. It means generally the size of the fiber is a 1.8 meters. The fiber diameter range from the 16 to 15 microns. The fiber are longer and less flexible. It is usually yellowish to green, brown or grey color, and they are not bleached sufficient to light shade. It is the rarely dyed. So after the cutting and harvesting process, the first step is the obtaining of the fiber is a retting. So in this retting, the process in which the fiber in the bark is separated from the woody portion by the action of the mycorrhizum present in this water, and the process involves the steeping and keeping the stem are submerged in water for the certain period. It means in this retting portion, the fibers are separated by the woody portion. It means the bundles of this stem they are submerged into water, and in this the sometime are water in this stem, so they are possess of microorganism and decomposing of process. Then the bark portion are immediately separated in the inner structure, the fiber are obtained. In this, the first is the oversetting process. In this, the microorganism will break down the tissue surrounding the fiber, and they result in the weakening of this fiber. In this undercutting, in this the removal of the fiber is difficult to task as the bar where the adheres to extracted fiber. It means the overretting and underretting process. So the difficult process is the underretting process. You can see this, there is a picture of the arranging of the bundles in this water. After arranging of waters, the bundles are submerged into the water, and they pulled some portion on this stem, and after the retting process the fiber are extracted by this equipment. Then after all these steps they are the total 10 to 12 per hectare of the fibers are yielding, and under proper management the yield are up to 15 kg plus by hectare obtained. Then after the some uses of the hemp is also used in the sanctuary for the making a rope, canvas and paper. So the soft, hard, many fibers are included, but in this our hemp they are most often used for the make rope, canvas and paper, and also useful for the cloth and filter. It is highly valued for the manufacture of the rope, carpet, soil cloth, cordage, binder, tureen, sacks, bags and extra purpose. The hemp waste is sometimes used in the manufacture of paper. It means that after the extraction of this fiber, the some material they are the wastage of hemp material they use in the manufacture of paper. The seed are chiefly used to make the hemp seed oil, which can be used for the cooking, lamp and paints. It means the oil seed are used for the cooking purpose and painting purpose. Then the flower contain The psychoactive compound they known as the cannabinoids that are consumed for the recreation, medicinal and spiritual process. It means in this flower the many phytochemical are present. They are useful for this medicinal purpose. So in this lecture we discuss about the hemp, the Cannabis sativa plant. They are belong to Cannabiaceae family, and they are the grow in the origin of this first of all China and then after in India. There are some botanical morphology, then the cultivation and harvesting, and the harvesting process is same to the flax. They are the account of the ratting and ripening process, and after all the process the extraction of this fiber, they are the dry on this sun periods, and after they are the some usage. So in this lecture we completed our the economic importance in the fiber ending plant of the hemp. In next lecture we discuss about the another species of this hemp, the sun hemp. Thank you.